Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
This is Kit.
And this is Hans.
And this is...
The chocolate. God. What do we do?
Eat chocolate.
Yes, we do. In front of you. Are you on a diet?
I should be.
Not you, them.
Oh, then.
You are perfection, perfected, and exalted, my dear.
Yeah, right.
I'm on a diet, but it's okay. I'm giving myself permission to be naughty. Well, what have you to bring to the table?
I have a... I don't know why this is really weird, but it's called Milk Boy. Milk Boy Switzerland.
Hey, Milk Boy.
It's got a little picture of a boy with
a bunch of milk.
Like a backpack of milk. Swiss chocolate, finest alpine milk. It's got a little alpine.
Oh,
He's wearing his little pants. Yep. This is made in Switzerland, so it's definitely not just a package with a little boy carrying milk.
It's not a fancy package. It's a fancy pants.
Fancy pants. Got his fancy pants on.
Oh, Milk Boy.
No fancy logos or anything. Just milk. And for
Okay.
For you? For me?
Chin-chin.
Cheers.
Well,
I liked it.
yeah.
Yeah, it was smooth. And it was actually milky.
I did not.
Why?
I'm waiting for the throat burn, and
I didn't get throat burn.
it's just got this kind of like, I get it. It reminds me of the Nielsen Jersey milk bar that was like way too milk. It's almost got, it's like it's almost slightly spoiled milk. I get this kind of taste to it that just doesn't, it doesn't fit in with the architectural vernacular of my mind and palate. So I'm going to have to give it a 2.
I'm going to give it a 3.5.
Alright. Who doesn't love a little happiness and a little bit of Kinder Joy dented on the
Star
side?
Wars Kinder Joy.
That's right. Because everybody likes Star Wars, including children.
I don't.
Yeah, you do. You're
No,
alright.
I don't.
You like The Mandalorian.
That's not like the same thing as watching the Star Wars movies.
That's right. That's why it's gonna replace the damn movies.
That's fine. I don't like Star Wars.
But we are knee deep in Star Trek. We just watched
Star
the first...
Trek is completely different.
Well, there's saying... Oh, what do we got going on here?
I don't know.
Look at this. Look at this.
It's a little spoon. Gotta pull a spoon on.
Okay. Our spoon.
Careful now. Careful.
What's in here? And here we find...
Ooh!
Toy.
Toy.
Make toy, please. And here we find... this.
Oh my.
What the freaking hell is this? It smells good. Oh wow, what are you building? Is it Yoder?
No.
Not Yoder? Well, that's not Joy.
No, it's not. Well, there you go.
Well, who is this guy? Oh, is this...
It doesn't even say. It looks like a bad guy.
Dr. Teeth and the Electric Mayhem, man! Yeah. Alright, well, we got this.
We'll put him over here. He can watch.
So let's see. I guess you scoop out a large amount and place it in your face hole?
Yep, but I think you scoop us that side.
You try. You can make some Star Wars goo. Star Wars
And there's
slime.
like chocolate underneath it. The white stuff.
It's Joy.
Oh! God damn.
Oh no! What have you done? It's on my shoe? It's right there. I'll eat it. That one's for me. Put it there.
What?
Put it
Why?
there. Because we have to eat it. Those are the orbs of wisdom. Eat your joy.
That's funny. They should come with a better scooper.
Oh,
I left you all of your half. Don't worry.
okay.
It's gonna be
I'm
okay.
gonna take my floor.
It doesn't look like there's anything on it.
Not much hair. I'll take my butt spoon. Put it in. Ah, I see why. Yes. It wants to hop out. This isn't your doing. The fault is not yours.
You better just pick it up and put it in your mouth instead of trying to.
Oh, it's like Nutella.
It's a Ferrero Rocher little boopy bopper and Nutella.
It's like a decompiled Ferrero Rocher.
Yeah.
And it's for kids. And if this guy dumped it on the floor, good chances that crap's going to be all over your couch. I give it... That's good, though. Flavor-wise, I'll give it a 4. Logic-wise and conducive to a home environment, I give it a 0. You?
I'm going to go with the 0 as far as that goes as well, but I'm only going to go with a 2 for flavor.
Okay. All right. Well,
Well.
send us your money. Bye.
Bye.